So we have a planet of mass m and radius r. So m is the mass of planet and r is the radius of planet. A satellite is launched from the surface of this planet and finally it moves in a circular orbit of radius 3r. So radius of circular orbit is 3r. A small m is the mass of satellite. We have to find what is the minimum energy that is given to this satellite so that finally it moves in a circular orbit of radius 3r. So the question is, we have to find minimum energy given to satellite. Let us say E is the minimum energy. So we have to find value of E. Now we will apply energy conservation. First we will write total energy at the surface of planet. So let us write total energy of satellite at the surface of planet. So we will have two kind of energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is minus gmm by distance. This distance is r. Now kinetic energy is the given minimum energy, that is E. So E is the given minimum energy. So total energy is E minus gmm by r. Next let us find total energy of satellite in circular orbit. So we will have potential energy, that is minus gmm by distance, and this time distance is 3r. And we will also have kinetic energy, that is half m v square. v is the velocity of satellite in this circular orbit, that is called orbital velocity. Basically, we can calculate this orbital velocity by applying Newton's second law. So, force acting towards the center of planet on this satellite is gmm by r square, and this time r is 3r. So we can write force acting on satellite towards the center of planet and this is gmm by 3r square. Now we can apply Newton's second law. That is, force towards center is equals to mass into acceleration. In circular motion, acceleration is v square by r. In this case, force is gmm by 3r square and r is 3r. So v square is gm by 3r. Now we can plug the value of v square to calculate kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is half m v square. So half m and v square is simply gm by 3r. So kinetic energy is gmm by 6r. So total energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy, kinetic energy is gmm by 6r and potential energy is minus gmm by 3r. So this is minus gmm by 6r. Now we can apply energy conservation. That is, total energy at the surface of planet is equals to the total energy in circular orbit. In circular orbit, this is the total energy. At the surface of planet, total energy is E minus gmm by r. So from here we can calculate value of E. 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6 ZMM by R. So this is the minimum energy required to launch this satellite. So minimum energy required that is 5 by 6 ZMM by R. So correct option is 3, that is 5 by 6 ZMM by R. So 3 is the correct answer.